Hey everyone, what if I told you your website could load instantly, no matter where your users are in the world? If a website loads slowly, people leave, right? But companies solve this using AWS CloudFront, a powerful content delivery network that delivers content at light speed. In this video, you will learn how CloudFront makes website faster, more secure, and globally accessible. Stay till the end. You will understand how the internet delivers content in milliseconds. Let's start it. Before going to start, please give a like to this video, share the video with your friends, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. If you have a website and you want to load the static content like images and the videos of the website want to load fastly, at that time we actually use CloudFront. By using the CloudFront, the static content like images, web pages are being uploaded in the edge locations of throughout the globe. So where the users in the other countries also can access your website very smoothly and fastly. This is all happened by the CloudFront. Today I will show you exactly how the difference between the CloudFront using website and the without using any CloudFront, how the website actually loads fastly. So for this we need to create a distribution. I will show you exact tips how we can configure our website to load fastly and smoothly. Create a distribution. Choose a plan. I am going with free tier. And next we need to provide the distribution name. CloudFront web page. Description is optional. Now I want to distribute type was a single website or app. I'm choosing single website. If you have any domain, we can provide the domain here. So instead of using the CloudFront DNS, we can access the website by using the domain name. We need to choose the origin type, which means from which origin we actually want to access the website that we are actually hosted, whether it is a S3 bucket or a elastic load balancer or an API gateway. In this video I am using AWS S3 as a source. We need to select the source bucket. I will show you exact bucket that we have created in our previous video, that was test bucket Tarun valireddy. I am choosing this. I will show the content present in the S3 bucket. Once that was done, it will ask for the settings. So we need to allow the private S3 bucket to access the CloudFront. Once that was done, we need to select the caching settings. By default, or we can choose the CDN will deliver the content using HTTPS instead of HTTP. So we are redirecting the HTTP to HTTPS. And caching policy, we are using caching optimized. This will get the users content very smoothly and fastly at the edge locations. And for now I don't want to enable any security for this website. I'm skipping this. Here it's saying that because you granted CloudFront access to your origin, CloudFront can write and update S3 bucket policies that restrict access to your S3 CloudFront. Once was done, click on create distribution. It was deploying the CloudFront distribution. Before it going to deploy, I will show you the S3 bucket, what it actually has the content. This is the bucket that we are selected for the CloudFront distribution, and this is the objects that are available in this bucket: image folder and index.html file and CSS styles.css file. Once we go to the properties and access the application using static website, You can see if we load the application by using the S3 bucket, it takes so much of time to load the images. You can see this is taking so much of time to load the static files like images or the videos on the website. But when we try to access the with using the CloudFront DNS, we will get the response within milliseconds. Now let's check, it was deployed to deployed state, deploying to deployed state. It was still deploying. Once the deployment was completed, then we can access the website using the distribution domain name. It was still in deploying state. Now the deployment was successful. We can see the time. Now try to access the website using the CloudFront DNS. First time it will take time to load the content. Once it was loaded the edge locations, then after when we are refreshing the website, it will load within milliseconds. We need to provide the path. Where is our index file? First time it will take time to load the content. Now the images are cached in the edge locations. Once we click on refresh, we can see there is no reload like S3 static website hosting. This is how the CloudFront CDN work instead of using a static website hosting using S3. I think you find difference between the normal website and the this is how loads by using the static website using S3. This is with the CDN. You don't want to access in the particular location, we can change the root object by defining the index.html. Click on save. Now again it was deploying. Once it was deployed, we can access at the root CDN only. Once it was deployed, the content will be appeared here. Let's wait until it was deployed. See, in the root file only, by using the CloudFront DNS, we are able to access the website. And if we click on reload, the content will be loaded within seconds. Not in seconds, within milliseconds. But when it comes to static website hosting like S3, it will take some seconds to load the content. I hope you understand about the difference between the CloudFront and the normal website hosting. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and share the video with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.